In the quiet of early morning, fields and climate-controlled rooms begin to wake. Beneath the soft glow of artificial light, millions of mushrooms are growing, silently, rapidly, and with astonishing precision. Welcome to the incredible world of mushroom farming. Wundenstein, to supply the world with one of its healthiest foods. Modern mushroom production starts not in soil, but in specially prepared compost, a nutrient-rich blend made from straw, chicken manure, gypsum, and other organic materials. This compost is pasteurized at high temperatures to eliminate any unwanted microbes. Once cooled, it becomes the perfect environment for mushroom spores to thrive. The heart of mushroom cultivation begins here, the spawning process. Sterilized compost is inoculated with mushroom spawn, tiny white threads known as mycelium, the root-like structure of the fungus. These trays or shelves are then moved into growing rooms. Dark, humid environments, carefully controlled for temperature, carbon dioxide, and moisture. Over the next 14 to 18 days, the mycelium spreads, turning the compost a creamy white color, a clear sign that life is flourishing beneath the surface. After colonization, a top layer called casing soil, made of peat and limestone, is applied. This thin layer triggers the mushrooms to begin forming fruiting bodies. Tiny white pins appear within days, and soon they expand into fully grown mushrooms. Advanced humidity systems maintain ideal growing conditions, with automated misting and temperature regulation ensuring each mushroom grows evenly. Once the mushrooms reach their ideal size, the harvesting process begins. In some factories, skilled workers handpick each mushroom to prevent bruising. In high-capacity plants, robotic harvesters use cameras and sensors to identify mature mushrooms and gently twist them from the beds. These machines can harvest thousands of mushrooms every hour, maintaining precision, speed, and consistency. After harvesting, mushrooms travel on conveyor belts for sorting and inspection. Automated systems use optical scanners to detect imperfections, sorting mushrooms by size, weight, and color. Human workers still play a key role, checking for quality, freshness, and ensuring no damaged mushrooms make it through the line. Next, the mushrooms move to cleaning lines, where gentle air and water sprays remove soil and debris. They are quickly dried, weighed, and packed into trays, boxes, or bags, depending on the type of product. Vacuum-sealed packaging helps maintain freshness, while some varieties are sliced or frozen for ready-to-cook meals. To keep their freshness intact, the packed mushrooms are moved into cold storage rooms maintained at around 1 to 3 degree times. From here, they are transported in refrigerated trucks to supermarkets, restaurants, and food manufacturers across the globe, ready for consumers within hours of harvest. Beyond the familiar white button mushroom, specialized farms grow exotic varieties like oyster, shiitake, and enoki mushrooms. Each has its own unique growing technique, from vertical hanging logs to glass tube systems, showing just how diverse and adaptable mushroom cultivation has become. Mushroom farming is also one of the most sustainable food industries in the world. Used compost is recycled into fertilizer, water systems are designed for reuse, and many factories now run partly on renewable energy. Every part of the process aims to minimize waste, proving that innovation and sustainability can grow side by side. From tiny spores to millions of harvested mushrooms, this is a story of patience, precision, and modern technology, transforming a simple fungus into a global food staple. Every bite you take connects you to a remarkable process, hidden beneath the surface but powered by science, dedication, and nature itself.